Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming a few essentials. Sign into iCloud with your Apple ID on the device you'll use, and make sure location services and Find My are enabled on the lost phone. Once done, open the Find My app and choose Devices. This brings up a list and map. You want to see your iPhone's name and its last known location immediately. If it appears, tap it to show actions. This gets you from setup into the first actionable tools fast. Now you'll act. Tap your iPhone on the map to reveal play sound, directions, and lost mode. Use play sound immediately if you're nearby. This forces a loud ping even on silent. It's fast. If it's farther away, tap directions to get turn-by-turn navigation to the last reported spot. When you can't retrieve it right now, enable lost mode. Enter a phone number and brief message, so a finder can contact you while the device stays locked and its location continues to update. Finish by recovering or securing your data. If you get the iPhone back, unlock it and turn off lost mode, then sign in to restore notifications and services. If it's truly gone, select Erase iPhone to wipe personal data, then alert your carrier and change passwords for Apple ID and key accounts. If the phone is offline, make sure Notify when found is enabled. This will email you once it reconnects. And if tracking fails, double-check iCloud.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.